congratulations sa Our Yesterday's Escape. Yung question ko for Guy, since final book na to ng series siya, ilang taon yung pinagdaanan nito. So, Guy, as someone who knows these stories from end to end, having brought this to life over the years, was there something you discovered more about the narrative or the characters through the series?
Hello. Hello po. So, hello. So, na-discover ko na possible pala na makwento yung story through a short form, which is an adaptation. And then to tell the POV of a character through a dialogue alone. So, kasi medyo kapag book, di ba, mahaba, pakikita mo yung thoughts ng lahat ng characters. So, doon sobrang makikilala mo sila. Pero, na-discover ko na through this adaptation, na kaya pala nila through their body language, through their delivery of their lines, na kaya pala nilang ilabas yung personality ng mga characters nila through that alone, na hindi nila kailangan na i-voice out lahat ng naiisip nila just for the audience to know the character.
And syempre from in Hispania to our Yesterday's Escape, what do you think, which characters did you relate to the most before and who do you relate to more now?
I relate the most to Luna. She's my first baby. She's my first character. My first character from the university series. So sa kanya ko talaga nilabas lahat ng halos lahat ng parte ng pagkatao ko. Kasi I really love Luna. So she's really the character that I mostly relate to.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you po.
Alright, maraming salamat po ngayon naman from the Philippine Star. We have Dolly and Carvajal.
Hello, Direk. My questions are for you. Kasi this is your third na, no, in the university series. How has each chapter contributed to your growth as a director?
With this particular book, no, it challenged me to showcase something different. Kasi nga na-handle ko na yung Safe Skies, Avenues, and now Oye. And this is a darker book. So it's a very interesting topic that is being explored this time. And at the same time, I want to give homage to each and every single book and characters. Parang ito na yung full circle moment. So that was the challenge. But it's also parang creative-wise, it was a challenge that excited ako ipakita sa mga audience natin for all the readers and all the fans of the book to see something different as well. So, excited na ba kayo, guys? Thank you, because sobrang we're working so hard for it and we're really excited to show this to you guys on September 5.
For my last question, you've grown close na to the cast, so ano mamimiss mo about them and the experience?
You know what? Just getting to know them backstage. Lahat ng mga kwento nila, I get to see them as human beings. I see their individual stories. And wala, yung kakulitan lang nila. And guys, they're human beings with emotions and they laugh, they cry, they get scared. And ito yung hindi nakikita sa series. Sa backstage, yung nakikita ko yung vulnerability nila as people and as actors. And yun yung miss ko, is hearing all their stories and just bonding with them. I think that's it.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman tungo tayo sa Manila Bulletin. Neil Ramos.
Maraming salamat. My question is for Nicole and Jairus. Ma'am, sir, magandang hapon sa inyo. How does it feel po na kayo ang finale, kayo magsasarap ng ating napakagandang university series?
Honestly, at first I don't feel any pressure, but now, stepping into the stage right now, mas naramdaman ko yung pressure, and I guess we will be able to use that pressure to give these people, these readers, a very, very good book, a very good series to close, and we're just really happy na nandito kami ngayon doing this last and final book, which is the very, for us, heaviest book. Yung mas maraming elements na libro, very grounded na libro. So, yeah, kabado, but at the same time, we're gonna use that as a fuel to do everything, blood, sweat, and tears, just everything on the table, gagawin talaga namin lahat. Sabi nga Direk Gino, pinaghihirapan namin to, at totoo yun na pinaghihirapan namin to. Sobra talaga, just like last night. So, yeah, we'll continue to do our best talaga for you guys.
How about you, Nicole?
Ayun po, nakakakaba po bilang we've been doing it nga for a few years now. And but it's an honor to be able to do this. And to tell Kiara's and Sean's story is a blessing. And it may be painful, but sobrang nakakatuwa because we get to portray characters or humans that go through these things so that a lot of people can relate and connect. And ayun, nakakakaba pero excited. I mean, napanood niyo na ata yung trailer pero kami hindi pa. So hindi ko pa alam ano mararamdaman ko. Pero ayun po, nakakatawa and very, very excited.
To follow up lang, no? Ang marami nakapansin na doon sa Viva Barcada concerts, masyadong emotional daw kayo, kayong dalawa. May sikreto ba kayong hindi namin alam or would you want to share something about that?
No, maybe we're just really overwhelmed with the love and support that we're getting from everybody. Especially, we're the last book eh. We waited for this for almost 3 years. No, we supported the books before us. We supported our friends, our family right here. So, and nakita namin yung pagmamahal din nila dun sa mga kaibigan namin na nauna. And, experience it firsthand at this very moment and even sa Viva Barcada concert. It's just, our heart is really full at that time talaga na sobrang happy kami kasi we never imagined na mararamdaman din namin yung nararamdaman nila and I hope it will continue to the end of the book and everything after the book.
Siguro sa akin po, it was a little bit different. The Viva Barcada concert happened on my birthday, August 15, and it was such a special day. And to perform in Araneta was also one of my dreams. And I was able to do it, and also first time po namin ni Jai noon mag-perform or makita on stage or together. Kasi sa lahat ng series, lagi po kami pass by lang, never po kami nagtatagpo. So when we were in that moment, I think sobrang naramdaman ko si Sean and Kiara. And that dance, I think yung mga readers, aware naman kayo sa sayaw na yun, di ba? And I think it wasn't just me who got emotional, but sobra lang po nadagdagan dahil that day was very, very special to me. Ayun po.
Okay, good luck you. Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Standard, Jasper Valdez.
My question is for Hayes and Brenda. Looking back at your time as Elise and Seve in Chasing in the Wild, ano ang pinaka-na-miss nyo about working with each other?
Hello? Hi, thank you so much for your question. I think the thing that I miss the most about working with Gab, as Sevi and Elise, is I really do miss our working dynamic together. It's something that I appreciate about the both of us a lot. We've always made sure to be on the same page since day one. Make sure that our communication is on point and that, whatever challenges that may come in our way, we know that we are a good team and that we can work well together to figure things out. I love working with Gab, and yeah, I definitely do miss that.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time to be here for the media and for the fans and sa lahat ng efforts nyo. And for the question, siguro pinaka-na-miss ko working with Haya is, just seeing her almost every day kasi we used to work together. every other day, and ngayon we barely see each other na. Pero yung dynamics and the chemistry, especially nung nagsistart pa lang yung LV na story, nagliligawan, yung nag-e-effort pa, gano'n, di ba? So, siguro yun yung pinaka-nag-miss ko the best. Thank you.
Since Chasing in the Wild ended, paano nyo patuloy na sinusuportahan yung isa't isa at ang ibang members ng Univercada as the franchise move towards its final installment?
We just support each other, just being there for each other, and then syempre, every book we wanted to, to give the spotlight to everyone. And pag kailangan nila ng tulong or kailangan nila ng kausap, nandito lang kami to support each other. And yun yung na-appreciate ko sa Univercada is, we bonded like a family.
Yeah, one thing that I loved ever since the first, or I mean at least the first book that I was present in, which was Safe Skies, was that nothing ever felt like a competition between anyone. Everyone is genuinely so supportive with each other and is such a family. And that's something that I really appreciate. Whatever we need, even the smallest thing, we can just ask. And everyone's here for each other. So.
Thank you.
Great. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, pakinggan natin from Radar PH, Kiko Escuadro.